ولقد آتينا داود منا فضلا يا جبال أوبي معه والطير وألنا له الحديد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here, your brother Qari Muhammad Zafar Usmani. Today I will tell you about maqam, recitation of Holy Quran with beautiful sound. Before that, I'm requesting from viewers that, so if you new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. When I upload new video, inshallah notification will come to you. And share this video with your friends and like. Do not skip this video. Very informative video for you, inshallah. So now my topic about maqam. What is the meaning of maqam? Maqam means rhythm. Rhythm, you can call to it a tune as well. So when you recite Holy Quran, during recitation Holy Quran, if you want to make a good and beautiful sound, it is very necessary. For beautiful sound, you have to know about maqam, rhythm or tune. So these are very necessary for recitation of Holy Quran. So the beautifulness of recitation of Holy Quran, so before that, you have to learn tajweed and then come to maqamat. Tajweed learning is faraz and maqam is mustahab. Maqam, rhythm or tune is mustahab. Beautiful sound is mustahab. So this is the definition of maqam. So rhythm, sound. So for example, if I want to recite Holy Quran with the beautiful sound, I know about maqam, I know about rhythm, I know about tune. So first I'm learning tune. So what is a tune? Tune, before that you have to know about maqamat. How many maqamat are there? How many tunes are there? How many rhythms are there? So three names are included with beautiful sound. So now, inshallah, in next video I will tell you the strength of maqamat. How many maqamat are there, or how many rhythms are there, how many tunes are there, inshallah, in next video. Now you allow me, in next video, inshallah, I will see you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.